everyone, so in the last video you saw us harvested our chilies from our garden, and my husband made a liquid hot sauce. It's very good. And also this is a thick hot sauce, fresh from our garden. He made 17 bottles.
17.
Yeah. Oops, this is empty. It's still hot.
And so are my hands. My hands are on fire.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Burning.
Yep.
Burning.
So we're here in Burgos because I printed a logo of her hot sauce. It's one. And I'm with Kitchen. Hi everyone, we're in Burgos. Darling. Our food is here. We got a puso. Barbecue chicken. Opat ate. It's my birthday. I'm with my family, but the others are not here yet. They're still on the way.
Get in here!
10. So is with her. Yaya wants to go in the ocean. Happy birthday, Hannah! Thank you. Ito, nakuha photographer. Okay na. We're in the ocean side while waiting for my family. Oh, tayo dyan na. Okay, our food is here.
Hana, makuan ka ang ilang music.
So our food is here now.
Come here!
Mahadlok ko dito sa tail ni mo ang tail mo ate. Kay Luis mama dadat eh.
Hey!
Finally, my family is here. I mean, my grandparents.
My grandparents, they're here. my lola, my lolo,
My cousins.
my aunt, my cousins, my father, and we have Buin.
Yay! They're finally. Thank you, everyone.
You're learning to speak Bisaya.
My guapo husband. I'm done eating.
Pressure or whatever dropped it down, and you couldn't even see the airport and the buildings or
My
anything. It was
grandpa.
like you flight into smoke.
Yeah.
Really bad.
Choy chukahamnida. Sige yan,
Kantahin na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah!
25!
Yeah! Hell! Okay. No more.
Thank you. No, it's cake. It's gonna cut my cake.
What are you doing there? You're hollowing it out?
No. No, she have a trick. She watched that in video.
Yeah? I hope it works.
This is life hacks.
This is how you cut when your cake is circle.
See, professional. Chris is a professional cutter.
Very nice.
Okay, kinsay mga Jew.
There you
See,
go.
it works.
Gotcha.
Put this in my nose. Ah. And now we're done. We're done having an early dinner here in Bodip.
Inday. Masagot si Jan.
Beto na ako ng mga... Sorry. 10. So we're here in Burgos because we thought tonight is the Mace Give, but nope, it's not. It's tomorrow.
Guys, do you want to hear a funny story? The reason it's actually in our what do you call this?
In our hometown.
Yeah, it's like fiesta in a few days, and it's so funny because there's supposed to be like a pageant competition, and we thought that it's going to be held tonight, but it was supposed to be tomorrow, and we didn't know that. And Gigi told us that it's supposed to be tonight, but
it's not. So we just have to buy a barbecue, I guess.
Ako bro.
So we decided to have some. We decided, guys, to have some snacks here in the plaza, and they're very supportive. And this is our snack: steamed siomai, and fries, and hot. Ano yung hot? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We're here in the fish pond. Shrimp fish pond, Ranima? It's a shrimp fish pond. Oh my god, they have a lot of chickens for cockfighting. They have a huge fish pond here. Ako pong lawas, di dyan nasakit gapon. We're thinking to buy shrimp here. Yes, to Gina. Pero to Gina ilhang shrimp, 100 kilo? 100. Oh my god, the fish pan is so huge. Hello. They're transferring the bangus. Cute.
Pakapinipod.
Cho!
Pakapin mo ako ng pakapintanan bang.
Ilan ang sudan?
Di na sila mawad ang direk sudan. Ay, mo na ipagkaos isda.
Oo, kang pilis. Kuha sa shrimp din, bang na.
Dito ba sa